That's the sound the bear makes. I'm allergic to bear spit. I can give them a signal and we're safe, like, wee. Ever thought about therapy? Don't forget what failing stands for. F-A-I-L-I-N-G. Okay, have you urinated? Have you drained your bladder? Are you free? If you don't, it'll come out later. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, and when I don't know what to do, I make that sound because that clears my mind of all obstacles that really aren't there. That's the sound the bear makes. Don't forget what failing stands for. F-A-I-L-I-N-G. One time in my life, I was in a place called Sri Lanka, which is the island right below India, and there were a lot of camels there. And I rode on the camel, I rode on an elephant, but the camel came out, and it got him on his back legs. He started dancing like a belly dancer. And it was moving and throbbing and moving and wiggling, and that one hump on his back was flipping back and forth like a one-breasted female. To me, the camel like a camel, you see one time you get into the focus of the real energy of the neighborhood worldwide. I'm going to be your guide. That's the sound the bear makes. But death is never to be afraid of in the movies or in life, because in life you don't feel death. You don't like that. Don't be afraid of dying. When you die in your dreams, it's a good sign. Death you are not to be afraid of because it comes with a dinner on the unconscious menu. That's something you learn on your own, though. It doesn't matter the words I give you. What matters the words you have inside you to tell you what I just told you in your own way. Yay! Sometimes I just don't know what to do, and when I don't know what to do, I make that sound because that clears my mind of all obstacles that really aren't there.